Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrap It Up. We hope you had a wonderful holiday. We got something in the mail and we're going to open it up. It's from our friend Pamela. I don't know if she wants us to say her last name or not. Yeah, I had some trouble with the van last week. I wanted to go scrapping. Oh, look at the beautiful card.
It's a
Thank
snowman.
you. And pictures.
Oh, I know who
Here,
those are from.
unfold them so people can see them. For Michelle and Leanne, thanks for your kind gift to me and Cece and Rosemary.
Or Rosemary. I don't have my glasses.
You got the best channel. Yeah!
Rosemary.
Keep scrapping and be safe in the bins. Your friend Pamela. Pamela, thank you so much.
This one says, to Michelle, love Rosemary.
Awesome!
Merry Christmas, thank you for my gift. And it's a superhero.
This one says, girls can be a boss. Scrap it up. And it's angels. Ooh, we love angels.
This says, love Rosemary to Leanne. Oh, she's hottie.
Can you see
And
that?
she's Wendy Waters. Water cannon pours it on.
Yeah!
I am Wendy Waters. Yes. And this one says, to Leanne and Michelle, love Cece. And it's a teddy bear doing a cartwheel.
Thank you so much.
Very
We
cute.
needed more drawings.
You guys,
we'll definitely
we're
put them
gonna
up.
be hanging those
You guys
all
see it?
over.
Thank you so much. We didn't open it, even though it's a Christmas card. We wanted to open it for you guys.
On
So
camera.
thank you all. Love all the way from Indiana,
And I love all
Indianapolis.
the stickers all over it.
Awesome.
It's very, very cool.
Okay, so now we want to get to this. Another gift that we have been putting off. Who is this from?
This
Leanne?
is from the girls, Darlin and
Put it in this
Nevaeh.
nice
Our
bag.
big fans from the hood.
So I guess we both got a necklace.
Oh,
Awesome.
look how pretty.
Definitely, I'm gonna put mine on right now.
Thank you, girls.
If I can get it on my head, I will. Yes, it just makes it. Thank you. And it's a natural cord. Leanne has trouble with metals, so.
Yes, so it's perfect for me.
Ooh, imagine.
Let me see. Oh, did they do that themselves?
No.
No, wow.
No, it's imprinted on there.
Wow, they bought us a present.
Anyways,
Look at that.
thank you so much, kids. We love giving you guys stuff.
Yes,
It makes
that's
us
the
happy.
most fun thing we
So-
do when we find toys and candy and goodies. We really enjoy
So
that.
if you guys saw my post, you saw that I had to get a new alternator. So we're back at it, ready to scrap. We had a little bit of load, so we're just looking for something to top off our scrap. And so away we go. And we might find some merch too, but right now we're just kind of looking for some metal. But we only have a little time left of sunlight and it's raining, but it is 55 degrees. We
So
missed
at
you.
least it's not cold and wet.
And let's scrap. Yep. Can you get it? Can you get me? Is that metal? I don't think so. No. I don't want that little piece. That'll just cause trouble. Okay. enjoy scrapping. For everyone that missed our scrapping, sorry about that. But we like to dumpster dive too. But we make money right then and there on the scrap money. You don't have to wait till we sell it or the flea market. So that's why we accept scrap metal, whereas some dumpster divers won't. Well, thanks for the turn signal, dude. You didn't have it on. I didn't know where you were going. All right, it's early, guys. But we thought maybe we could top off this load. Anything else? Is that another step stool? That's all we ever get now.
Sure.
No, it's a shelf. That's cool. I see some other metals. Although I don't really.
It's full of straw too.
Oh, that's weird. I wonder what that means. Just leave it. We don't want to make a mess, right? It probably had an animal and it died. What is it? A trunk? A metal trunk?
No.
Oh.
Never mind. I'm sure there's nothing good in it. Just looked interesting. Wait, look at nothing. It's just interesting.
All right, let's see. Over here, a chair. Could probably grab that chair. See if they've got anything here at our favorite place. I don't see anything. They got rid of everything I see. Is that guy sleeping in his truck?
I'm sure we don't care.
Do you want to look in their bin?
I do. While we're here, we might as well.
No, there's nothing in there anyways. Alright, grab this here chair. This is the lady that was going to leave us a bunch. Grab it and get it on in. You need help? Got a whole bunch of plugs off of some old filters, aquarium filters.
It stopped recording.
Yeah. It's very. It could be very glitchy today because of the rain. We're going to one of our favorite areas. So we'll see if we can get anything. There's some metal. Yay. Some more metals. Ooh, look at all these envelopes.
Oh, yeah.
Remember when we needed an envelope for our car? You want some?
Uh-huh.
Here.
That's why I'm taking some.
Alright, that looks like about it. See anything?
There, I didn't give you a clue that I found something. Red bags.
A red bag?
Bags. Big plastic bags. Never mind.
Where?
I got it. What's in here? Oh,
Are you guys ready to take a sneak peek of what could be in Big Lots? Do they have it locked? No. They fixed it.
Someone has to break it. This side too.
Oops. Well, I got us again, guys. Ooh.
Oh, what's down there, our favorite?
Yeah. What, you want that?
Huh?
A piñata or whatever that's called? All right. right, I'm gonna move because there's a lot in this one, all right? Is there anything in there?
You say so? Sorry.
I'm going over there. Well, I guess they don't want any honey barbecue chips. Huh, April 6th of next year. What's the dealio?
That's always the kind that has stuff in it. The green one.
The green box had stuff?
I said check that lock. That's always the kind that has stuff in it. That's why I got the chip.
No.
No. Newspaper.
You don't need any more of those. All right, now my battery light has come on, so we were hoping to, you know, put this into 2 parts, but I don't know what's going to happen. So I just got my alternator fixed, exchanged, so maybe the battery was ruined too, but I just bought one less than a year ago, or maybe it was a year ago.
Yeah, about that. Because it was right after we done.
Let's see the date on here, 11/30. So it might not be good anymore. I don't know. I'll have to look at the warranty, but that sucks. Well, we're finally on our way to the scrapyard. As you saw, our little button came on. It was our battery button light, so I don't know. It hasn't come on today, so I guess we should have our battery checked maybe when the alternator went bad. It did something to the battery, but we made sure the battery was fully charged before we put that alternator in, so I don't know. But the battery has a 2-year warranty. We've only had it for a year, so we'll see. So let's go to the scrapyard and get a little money. Happy holidays!
Getting cold out here now.
Happy holidays!
Happy hangover I got.
Well, as long as you're happy.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been happy getting it, but
Do you want my assistance? Do you want me to go on?
Oh, we really don't need you.
All right, just throw it on the ground. I'm getting ready.
is that going to get stuck on there? 5,000? Save this. This is good stuff. All right, is that it?
Use this for loose cans.
Huh? What?
Nothing. I said I'm gonna use this. You want to take that piece of copper? What are you doing, dude? What are you talking about?
I don't know why that guy had to park just like I did. I mean,
Holy cow, look at that.
I know. What did we get?
$17 for that little bitty bit.
That wasn't too bad.
No.
Let's see, we're still at 90 per net ton.
That's
So
good.
1080, 370 for your ball of copper. Communication wire, we just all that communication wire, 50 cents. Old sheet aluminum, 40. UBC, 120. That must be the cans. So 17 bucks.
I'll take it. Well, I'll take 7. You took the 10.
I want to wish you all a very abundant new year. Thank you all for sharing this year with us. We started this on January 2nd of this year, so on January 2nd it'll be our anniversary, and we have definitely learned a lot, and we've grown, and we met a lot of people, and we had a lot of fun, and we made a little money too, so
And all of you, we have the love of all of you.
yes. Thank you so much, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.